So, hello everyone. So today is a sunny day. I'm gonna do a different video today. So this is the PC. So I'm gonna talk today about how much the YouTube paid me as a first monetization, and I've been almost 3 months monetized. I'm gonna show you the statistic. So first of all, you need to complete the requirements: 1000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 1 year or 12 months, or the opposite of 10 million public short views in the 90 days or 3 months. Or you can get in the partner program with the new update of the YouTube has done with 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, and 3 million shorts view. But if you complete this, you are not able to get paid by the views you get on the channel, only from the what does it call it? Revenue. You can get paid only by the membership and super and gifts, things like that. But I don't know about this too much. I don't stream a lot on YouTube. These are only if you stream. So after you complete this, you need to add your AdSense. You need to verify your identity. You need to verify your address, and then you are ready to get paid. You need to wait a little when your address verification. They send you by the mail. Mine got it here for nearly 4 weeks. I received the mail from the YouTube, from the AdSense. So let's get to the video. So as a small YouTuber, so I'm gonna show you here. Let me close a little the curtains to block the sun a little. No, this is not good. Okay, let me get closer. Overview. So this is the February month. It shows here 39.4, and my YouTube just blew up only by one video. I'm gonna show you here. Filter views. 10. So this is the video. I just go to this video. 190,000. How to say this shit? 190,000. Okay, let's get to the video. So sorry for the English, guys. So this is the video. I just blew up on YouTube and I got to 2,000 subscribers, and this is my most paid video, even though this is the low RPM paid. If you can see here, this video for 1,000 views I only get 0.42 cents. So this is low, and YouTube channels of gaming get paid low, but this is too low, I think. And this is for the only reason of your audience the age and the geographic where you've been watched. So if you go to the graphic, most of my viewers are from the United States, Brazil, India, France, and Russia. So the most are from United States, and the age of the people that watched me are 18 to 24 and 25 to 35, the most of them. So if I get the views from the age of down low, my RPM must be higher, because they are in a grown age and they can pay more, as I research lately. So these are this video blew up and gave me these views, these watch hours, 838 subscribers, and got me $80. For me is a lot, so let's go to the so I'm gonna go for the how much days have been monetized. I remember from December, let's say 1st December to where we are now. Okay, as you can see, okay, my first day, this is 12 and 13. This is $2 in euro, €2.86. So I was happy. I thought this was a whoa, I'm gonna get paid for $3 or $2 a day, but you see the next day is 3.6, 3.5, and it goes down, down, down. Got a little up, down, 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 down. So in this whole 3 months, I don't know how it is. Yeah, 3 months, almost 3 months. This is my lowest, I think. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is my lowest, and this is my highest paid day. Let me see. Yeah, this is my highest paid day. So right now I am at 2,243 subscribers, and thank you a lot, guys. I'm not 100% focused on YouTube because I have another job to do. I'm doing gym now, so let's take a little protein. So let's do another video. There's a lot of watch hours. This other here. So this paid me $2 only. And my, let's go back. So my RPM, you see here, RPM for 1000 view on my channel is 0.69 euro. This is my RPM. So this is what I paid for 1000 views. And how much the advertiser pay for 1000 views? Where does it show? So it's showing a specific video. So this is how much I get paid on YouTube. I still haven't got my payment, but hopefully this month, because I need to get to the 17 euro threshold so I can get paid. received it, and this is what I got. So I started with the laptop, the HP Victus. Now I'm at this PC. I put a lot of effort on this. Nemo? Nemo? Come here. Nemo is sleeping, he doesn't want to come. This is the mask of Nemo. So guys, thank you a lot. Appreciate the support. I'm gonna be here sometimes, maybe not 100% focus, because this is not a lot. I cannot pay my rent, I cannot live with 14 euros a month. It doesn't pay only, it can pay only the internet for the PC I'm playing, only this. So okay, let's put it 1 year. This is how much I have made on YouTube. $100. It's not much, but it's not a little. Thank you so much for supporting, and I got to this point only by one video. As I said, that video blew up, and this is where my YouTube is. So this video blew up and still got me 1,000 views a day, or maybe 1,500 here in the last 48 hours, almost 3,000 views. It's still catching up. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have any other question, you can ask me. I'm gonna do impossible to answer to you everything I know for the YouTube. But thanks you a lot, and bye bye. Have a nice weekend.